Hello everybody, welcome. Another supermarket battle today. Tesco's and Aldi's again, and it's going to be soup. Chicken and sweet corn soup. Aldi, Tesco. Aldi was £1.25 and Tesco's was £1.50. So it's 25p difference in the price. They're both, which I've looked, which you wouldn't believe to be fair, look at the size of the difference. They're both 600 gram. Show you one, turn it around, you drop it. Don't know if you can see that, hold on, let's get it right. See that? Both 600 gram. I mean they're the same height, but I thought there'd be more in that in the Tesco one, to be honest, by the looks of it, but looks are deceiving, ain't they? Anyway, let's open it all up and let's have a look, and we'll get a cook and we'll get a taste. Right, we're going to do Tesco's first. We'll open that first. Say £1.50 for this. Hold on, before we do that, how do we cook it? That's an idea, isn't it? Microwave, no, not microwave, hob. 5 to 6 minutes into a saucepan. Heat gently, yeah, just like normal soup. 5 to 6 minutes. Let's open this one up. Lift the lid. There's that one. The Tesco one. What's it smell like? Yeah, it smells very chickeny. I'm going to pour this one into a pot, into a pan. There's that one there. It's quite thick. Sounds very, very chickeny though. Let's open the Aldi one and we'll compare. Both exactly the same, I say. Chicken and sweet corn. Both the same weight. Is that the same cooking time? 6 minutes in the hob, yeah, exactly the same. I don't like these opening ones though. Do it a simple way. I'll just cut the top off because it's all going in anyway. There we go. Let's have a look at this one. Oh, that looks a bit different colour, look. Let's get it open, let's get it in, let's see. Okay. That looks a lot thicker, doesn't it? That's 100 times thicker. It's a lot different colour and all. Got a difference in the colour. Tesco's, Aldi. Oh well. It's all in the taste anyway, as we say. Completely different colours. That one looks, this one, the Tesco one looks more appetising than that one, doesn't it? Well that's, yeah. Okay, anyway. I'll get them on the hob. We'll give them a cook. And we'll see what it tastes like. And what's the calorie count difference? Tesco's half a pot is 175 and Aldi's half a pot is 196. There's a lot more calories in the Aldi one, but it doesn't look very appetising, the Aldi one. Interesting. Anyway, I'll get it on the hob. I'll get it a slow cook and I'll bring you back when it's done. Right, it's all done. First thing I've noticed, I mean the colour, 100% Tesco's, Aldi, but Aldi's is like slop. It's really runny. Tesco's has got a bit of thickness to it. But I say it's all in the taste, isn't it? So let's taste it. I mean, it's boiling up, so I'm going to give it a couple of seconds. I mean, I can't even hold the bowl properly, it's that hot. See if I can do it. Look, there's the Tesco's one. Hot, 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 hot. And there's the Aldi one. I mean, Aldi's like water. But say it's all in the taste. So I'll get a couple of seconds and then we'll have a taste test. Right then, Tesco one first. I've had to put it on the towel because it's boiling hot still. I don't want it going cold. I probably can't see that, can you? But it's got a nice little bit of depth to it, the Tesco one, look. It's quite thick. So it's all in the taste, so we'll give it a taste. There's no seasoning gone in or nothing, just as it is. Oh, that's quite nice. Oh. Oh, it's very creamy as well. It's got a few bits of chicken in it as well. You can see. It's quite tasty, that is. Boiling up though. Now the Aldi one. You can see that properly, but it's like slop. Look. I mean, if you like sloppy soup, I suppose, but let's give it a taste and see. Ooh, ooh. Oh, that's tasty. Oh, this is a tough one. That's got a lot more chicken depth in that one. In the Aldi's. Wow. Yeah. A lot more chicken. A lot more chicken flavour. Try the Tesco one again. Try the Tesco one again. Oh, this is a tough one, this is. Yeah, Tesco one tastes a lot more sweet corn. Aldi's a lot more chicken. Oh dear. I don't know. I don't know which one. It's very close. I'd have to call that a draw. Tesco's looks better, 100%. And it's a lot thicker. But Aldi's got the chicken taste. And if you're having a chicken soup, you want to taste the chicken. Ooh, yeah, I'm going to have to call that a draw. Both of them. Oh, I can't sit on the fence, I've got to pick one. I've got to pick one. Tell you what I'm going to do, because of the way that how close they are together, I'm going to pick Tesco's, just because of the way it looks a lot better, but there's nothing in it. I don't think you'd be disappointed in either, but say Aldi looks a bit like slop, but it tastes gorgeous. So yeah, just going to give it to Tesco's, just by a fraction. Anyway, I'm going to go and eat it now. So, I am the old food guy. Give us a like, give us a subscribe, leave us a comment. Till the next time, see you later. Bye bye. I'm going to eat the Tesco one, I think, because it looks better. With a bit of bread. All the Aldi one. Hot, that is. All the Aldi one. I can't pick. I'm just going to leave it a little bit to Tesco's, just by a fraction. Bye bye.